So I am going to explain today a very important part, purification of water at home. So children know why we need pure water, because as you have seen in this chapter earlier on, that water should be free from all the impurities or all the pollutants or all the agents which can harm us. So the water which we use for drinking is called as potable water. So you have to know this. So first is potable. Potable water means water fit for drinking. Potable water is water which is fit for drinking is called potable water. Question is why we need potable water? Reason. Question why we need purified water, purified or pure water? This is the question. Answer is because if water contains any germ, bacteria, chemical, etc., then it may harm us. It can harm us. So children, we require water free from all the contaminants or all the impurities. And as you know, nowadays we have different techniques to get the pure water or purified water at our home. So methods for purification of impure water. Methods of purification of impure water at home. So first is, you all know, reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis, you all know, it is called as RO. So there is RO plant. Most of us at our homes RO plant. So RO plant is an electronic equipment. It is electronic device which removes the extra substances, extra salt, viruses, bacteria, etc. And so reverse osmosis, as the name indicates, it uses pressure, it uses force. So in RO plant, force is used to remove any unwanted substance, from the water. The question is how it uses. So children, in RO there are many small components. There is compressor, there is motor, there is RO membrane. There is membrane or RO membrane. So pressure is created by the motor. You all must be knowing. When we start RO machine at our home, there is humming sound. Humming sound is there due to the pressure created by the motor. And simply, children, just I am going to draw this, that if we have a structure like this, and here there is the this is the RO membrane, RO membrane, and from one side we are passing impure or normal water, and here pressure is applied. Here pressure by machine, pressure by mechanics is applied on one side. This is the R membrane. This is R membrane, and here there is the purified water. Here there is purified water, and so here the pressure is created, and it pushes the water. So only pure water molecules comes out through this R membrane, and the waste water on this side there is the waste water. Waste water goes away. Waste water goes away, and so children, this is the or rather this is the scheme. This is the diagrammatic representation of an RO plant. This is the diagrammatic representation of an RO plant. How we explain? Again, I am repeating. This is the diagrammatic representation. This is a chamber. On one side, we are passing the normal water. Here there is the pressure due to the machine of the RO. In the between, there is RO membrane or simply membrane which removes the dirt, which removes chemicals, viruses, bacteria, anything present in the water which is undesirable. Then on one side, here there is the chamber. So it gives the purified water, and here wastewater goes away. So this is the simplest way how RO can be explained and how RO works. And so RO wastes lot of water as we see, but it is not waste. Actually, the water contains large amount of salts, and there are sensors. There are the electronic sensing system in the RO machines. All the ROs, they are highly advanced, and there is the sensor of particular ion, particular salt, and they sense and they remove the water. So at every level, the water is checked, as the company says. Just I am saying, I'm not expert in the field, but just what I have seen or what I have read. So it is the sensor which have this technique. Now children, I'm going to explain some more plants, more ways how to get the pure water or potable water free from impurity. So by boiling. So children, boiling is the very old method of purifying water. So children, on boiling, we simply kill some bacteria. Just only the bacteria are killed, or any harmful organisms are killed, nothing else. And some gases like chlorine, it can go. So by this, only living microbes like bacteria, fungus, etc. are destroyed. So it is slightly safe if the water is not hard. Nowadays, the problem lies with the hardness of water. Water has become saline. Water has become salty. So it is the simplest way, by disease is caused by different pathogens, bacteria, viruses, fungus. So by boiling, we cannot destroy any virus. So this is the one point. So boiling is the simplest way to kill the pathogen. But if water contains any chemicals, so it cannot be removed. Then third, by this lesson. So children, by this lesson, we get the water. It is perfectly pure. But distilled water is not suitable for consumption of animals or plants because distilled water has much less amount of oxygen. So distilled water is used only to perform some experiment. So this type of water is not fit for consumption of animals. Animal means us human beings. Any other animal, it can be dog, it can be cat, anything. Animals and plants, as it had very low concentration. It has very low concentration of dissolved oxygen. Very low concentration of dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen should be present in water. Children, all you must be knowing. Water we drink. So drinking of water is not only to fulfill our desire of thirst, but also we in our body there is the entry of oxygen also. Oxygen is given to our body by different ways. Water, food, all have oxygen content in them. This I am sharing you, and you will be surprised on this. So it is only fit for the distilled water. It is only fit for the experiment or machines like batteries. You all must know. You have inverter. You have two-wheeler, four-wheeler, and so we use distilled water in the batteries when the battery is old because any water cannot be used in the battery. So water must be distilled. Then children, the next point is the purifiers. Purifiers or water purifiers. Water purifiers are simple instruments. Water purifiers are simple instruments to purify the water. Nowadays, water purifiers, they are not preferred because they are unable to remove the bacteria, viruses. This technique is very old technique, and they filter some salt initially. So nowadays, it is very much important that we have to take care, and water must be free from all the pollutants. All the pollutants must be free, and the water purifiers were having the candles. You almost know candles of the ceramics, carbon filters, carbon fibers. So this is all about the ways how to get the potable water at our home.